In today's video, we will take out the tail lamp for 2020 Infiniti QX60. We will open the trunk, take out the cover of the tail lamp. Here I'm using a plastic trim remover tool. Behind that plastic cover, we need to take out two 10mm screws. Then we gently need to push the tail lamp so that it pops out. Notice there are two plugs that needs to be removed one by one. This tail lamp only has one bulb, so you need to turn this plug anti-clockwise to take that bulb out, and in case if you want to replace that bulb, you just take out the bulb from the plug itself. Suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back to where it was. Doesn't really matter this way or the other way. You can just put it back. You will hear a sound. And then you make sure these four spaces are matching with the four spaces of the plug itself. Once you put the plug, you just turn the plug clockwise. That was it. That is how you remove the tail light and replace the bulb. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. These are the list of the tools I used for this takeout.